The exit poll results of the assembly elections to the states of West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Assam and Union Territory of Puducherry will be announced after 7:30 pm after the voting procedure for the last phase concluded in Bengal at 6:30 pm today. The Election Commission has prohibited the publishing and broadcasting of exit poll results till 7:30 pm on April 29th. The eighth and final phase of elections was underway in Bengal, where stray incidents of violence were reported from several areas, but the overall polling process has been peaceful, with 76.07% turnout recorded till 5 pm, Election Commission officials said. Hyderabad-based Bharat Biotech on Friday slashed the price of its Covaxin vaccine to 400 rupees per dose for the state governments. The earlier price of the dose was capped at 600 rupees for the state government and 1200 rupees per dose for the private hospitals. Bharat Biotech's move comes a day after the Serum Institute of India reduced the price of its Covishield vaccine from 400 rupees to 300 rupees per dose for the states. Recognizing the enormous challenges to the public healthcare system, we have made Covaxin available to the state governments at a price of 400 rupees per dose, the company said in a statement. The Ministry of Ayush on Thursday said that Ayush 64, a polyherbal formulation developed by the Central Council of Research in Ayurvedic Sciences, has been found to be effective in treatment of the mild to moderate cases of COVID-19 infection. The drug, initially developed for malaria in 1980, has been repurposed for COVID-19. It is extensively studied, scientifically developed, safe and effective Ayurveda formulation. This medicine is also recommended in National Clinical Management Protocol based on Ayurveda and Yoga, which is vetted by National Task Force on COVID-19 Management of ICMR, the Ayush Ministry statement read. The Union Health Ministry on Thursday issued a fresh set of guidelines for home isolation of mild or asymptomatic COVID-19 patients. The government has strictly advised people not to procure or administer remdesivir injection at home. AIIMS Director Randeep Guleria has reiterated at several occasions that remdesivir is not a magic bullet and should be administered only in a hospital setting. Elderly patients aged more than 60 years and those with comorbid conditions such as hypertension, diabetes, heart disease, chronic lung or liver or kidney disease, cerebrovascular disease, etc. shall only be allowed home isolation after a proper evaluation by the treating medical officer, the guidelines said. Amid a massive surge in the COVID-19 cases, the Uttarakhand government on Thursday suspended the Char Dham Yatra for this year. The Yatra was scheduled to start from May 14th. Chief Minister Tirath Singh Rawat said that only priests of the 4 temples will perform rituals and puja. Uttarakhand government has suspended Char Dham Yatra this year in view of COVID-19 situation in the state. Only priests of the 4 temples will perform rituals and puja, Rawat said.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.